Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So YouTube experts say that I need a good hook at the beginning, so here's mine.
Excuse me, everyone. Sex! Now that I have your attention.
You don't have our attention.
Money!
I'm listening.
You had me at sex.
Perfect.
You have all of our attention just by screaming anything.
That's good to know.
And now that Michael Scott has helped me with your undivided attention, today's video is going to be another Nutrisystem box review, the one that we started last week, I believe. If you are interested in seeing more of these box reviews, they go by body type, then check out my links down below because I have them all, and I also have the 30-day box review as well. So the 5-day box that I did this week through Nutrisystem was the Slim Balance box. There were definitely things that I liked inside of it and definitely things that I did not like. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the box again, and then if you guys want to see what the food looked like from in the box, just go to the Nutrisystem playlist that I have, and then I have all my what I eat in a days on Nutrisystem. That way you can kind of see what the food looks like unpackaged and already made, opposed to when things are advertised on TV. Sometimes things are made to look just better than what they actually end up looking like. Like TV dinners look amazing on TV, and then you go and buy one and not so much. And then I'm also going to let you know after I show you the box how much I lost. So this is what the Slim Balance box looks like, 5-day weight loss kit, and then it goes by body type. And I tried the other two. I wanted to try all 3 of these to just kind of experiment and see if in fact it would work and go by body type, and if I would lose the most weight on my body type. So it says lose up to 7 pounds in 2 weeks, 5 breakfasts, 5 lunches, 5 dinners. So these are some of the foods that it came with. It came with bars, oatmeal, muffin, rice bowls, home-style chicken. It came with chicken soup. Let's see, it came with casseroles, lasagna, and chicken pot pie. I thought that one was okay, but I didn't like it that much. And this is a general idea of how many calories that you are consuming while you're on Nutrisystem for each meal that you get. So it's not very much, but then you can also add an extra protein in your day, and then you want to add a bunch of extra veggies as well. I also did a comparison video of the other 2 boxes side by side. If you guys want to see that, I'm going to link that up above, somewhere around here. And then I just kind of gave you guys the differences and the similarities between them, calorie-wise, what comes inside of the boxes, and then which one I lost more weight with. So now with this box, I only ended up losing about 1 pound, and I believe that there's a couple of reasons for that. So besides the fact that it's not my body type, because the other box that I only lost 1 pound with was also not my body type. I lost the most weight, I believe it was 3-ish pounds with the one that was my body type. So I feel like that ended up working better, even though I didn't like it as much as one of the other ones. But the one that was with my body type ended up being less carbs than these other 2 boxes. So that was probably one of the main reasons. But then another reason is I've been on Nutrisystem before, and when I first got onto the 30-day box, I had more weight to lose. And so my body going onto a new system and eating new foods, I ended up dropping weight pretty quickly. So then now that I have less weight to lose, when I go on Nutrisystem, I usually lose it pretty gradually, and I think if you lose 1 to 2 pounds a week, that is still awesome, and I think that that's really, really healthy. So I'm still happy that I ended up losing any weight instead of accidentally gaining weight or just staying stagnant. Now, also reviewing it food-wise, the Slim Balance box was not my favorite box. I didn't really like the foods in it very much. I think I liked the lean protein one, the Lean Balance box or whatever it's called. Then there was the Belly Buster, which is the orange box, which was supposed to be my body type, but I ended up liking the one that wasn't my body type. It was like the Lean Protein, Lean Balance, something like that, the best. I think that it just had the most diversity with their foods and the best tasting foods, because I feel no matter what plan you're on, no matter what kind of diet you're doing, and I say diet as in like lifestyle after Nutrisystem or after keto or whatever it is that you're doing, it's important that you like the food that you're eating, because then it's just going to be easy to just indulge yourself again, and it's going to be really easy to fall off of your plan and go back to, eating a bunch of pizza or chocolate or things that aren't healthy for you just because of how horrible the food was when you were on a diet. But that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a like and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more inspiration on your weight loss journey. Also, if you want to try Nutrisystem, I have a 50% off link down below, as well as the links of where I got my other smaller boxes from on Amazon. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I hope that you have the greatest of days. Bye. Mwah.